doing the thing today. I'm gonna take a walk, and I'm gonna take a walk, and I'm gonna take y'all along with me, and y'all gonna see where I'm headed. I will be doing the let go as well. So yeah, just stay tuned, y'all. Y'all gonna see what I'm about to do. Just stay tuned. I'm trying to find a good area to like just breathe and get some peace. So when I find the area, I will be back on here. I'm trying to find a good area to vlog in. So when I find a good area, I'm gonna get back with y'all. I'll probably try to find a spot down here somewhere. So yes, I hope y'all day been going good. I hope y'all continue to prosper and continue to grow. And yes, just continue to just be you. Be yourself. Remember to be yourself at all times. Just be yourself. Everybody can't be themselves. So if you know how to be yourself, be real. Everybody don't know how to keep it real though. So yeah. I don't think I'm gonna go down here. There's too much noise down here. But I'm about to see. People so ignorant, y'all. Gotta do the most. Well, yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all when I find a spot. Yeah, I found the spot where I'm gonna be vlogging at. I guess I'm gonna do it right here. Yes, y'all, I'm back. I found the spot. And I just wanted to just chill and get a peace of mind. And yes, I feel like I can't do this with nobody else. I can't do this with friends, family, and stuff, besides my sister. But other than that, people don't be down for stuff like this. Like, this is all I be wanting. It's just, yes. Like, why can't people just want, you know what I mean? Like, I just be wanting to chill and just get a peace of mind. That's it. So yeah, I'm about to take some thumbnails. And yes, and I'm gonna get started with what I'm gonna be doing today. Hold on, y'all, my bad. Yes, y'all, I hope y'all day is going good. Like, I hope y'all doing fantastic. I just hope everybody's life just go how they want it to go. Like, I just feel like everybody should be able to get what they want out of life. Like, we only live once. Like, one time out of life, we should be able to get whatever we want out of life. And to do so, you just got to put in the work for real. Like, you can get anything you want in this world if you just put the work in. So just make sure you put the work in. But y'all, I'm gonna be doing a little let go as well. I'm gonna write some things on here and I'm gonna break it. And yes, that's quite nice. But yes, I'm gonna write some things on here and I'm gonna break it. You know, I'm gonna pray over it first and then I'm gonna break it. But yes, I just been wanting to do something like this for so long, and I'm just now really doing it. Like, and I'm just happy I'm doing it. Like, and if you wanna, if you wanna do something and like you always wanna do something, or you wanna do something, and the people around you, you know, scream they wanna do this with you, just and that y'all ain't did it in the time that went by. Do that shit by yourself. Do it by yourself, man. Cause if you don't do it by yourself, it'll never get done. You will never do it. Like, it feels so good to be out here and to be able to do this. Like, I feel good. I'm doing it by myself. Like, I'm doing things by myself that I would never thought I would do. You feel me? I'm out here by myself, y'all. By myself. Like, and it just feel good to even be out here to enjoy myself and talk to y'all on camera and y'all can experience this with me. So yes, y'all, I'm gonna be writing some things on this, and I'm gonna break it. I'm chilling, relaxing, and enjoying the weather, the breeze. It feels so good out here too as well, y'all. If y'all don't know, I'm from Cincinnati. Yes, around these months, it be feeling good, and it feel good today. And I'm gonna enjoy my day today. I don't care. Like, if I gotta do this shit by myself, like I keep telling y'all, it's gonna get done regardless. People gotta know, whether they do it with you or not, it's gonna get done. Like, you know what I mean? And well, with me, it is. I'm speaking for me. But yes, let me get started on here. I'm gonna have y'all. I'm gonna sit y'all up though. I'm gonna sit y'all up. I'm gonna scoot back a little bit. Y'all, it just feels so good to do this. But if you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Turn that bell on for you can be notified when I post on YouTube. I will be dropping videos back to back to back, so make sure y'all stay tuned. You won't be disappointed. You won't be subscribing for no reason. And I hope y'all doing stuff like this as well, whether it's with somebody or whether it's by yourself. People need time like this. Time to themselves of this nature. Even being in the nature. People need this time to heal, to actually get their thoughts together. Like, I know me. I need this type of surrounding environment. You feel me? So yes, y'all, make sure y'all are taking the time out to yourself, because if it's just all about everybody else around you or work or whatever it is, just make sure you have time to yourself to adjust, to feel, you know what I mean? Because you need that time to yourself sometimes. You need that time. You need time. Everybody need time. Pressure is a thing. Pressure is a thing, y'all. Pressure is a thing. Yeah, I'm working on my first song as well. I'm working on my first song ever. And I can't wait for y'all to hear it. I can't wait for y'all to hear it. It's in the making. It's in the making. It's in the making. For sure. It's in the making for sure. Like, no cap, it's in the making. So make sure y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna make my intro song as well. Like, why not make my own music? You feel me? Making my intro and my outro as well. Like, yes, big things is coming, man. And I want to take y'all along with me. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure y'all most definitely subscribe to the YouTube channel. Because, yes, it's up. It's up. I don't want y'all to miss anything that's coming my way. I want y'all to be there with me. To be a part of this. You know what I mean? So, yes, y'all. It's only up from here all summer. I'm going to make sure I drop bangers. I'm going to make sure. Like, you got to be consistent. You got to be consistent to get where you want to be. You feel me? So, yes, y'all. And, yes, I did a little bit so far. Do y'all hear them birds chirping, though? You gotta watch your back too while you're out here in the nature. You never know what's gonna come out the woods. Yes, y'all. Yes, y'all. It feels so good. It feels good outside, man. It feels so good outside, y'all. It feels good. It feels amazing to even be outside. Divine. I'm trying to know about that divine. A little bit of my plate. But other than that, y'all, I'm done. I'm done. Look where I'm at, y'all. A good area. A good area. Good. This type of stuff excite me. Like, y'all, this the type of stuff that excite me. These type of things excite me. Oh, I'm stepping in. I love it here. I'm gonna get back with y'all when I'm about to break the plate in a minute. And I'm gonna get back with y'all. Yes, y'all. I'm enjoying it. I don't know. So yes, I did bring me something. I made an acai. I got me a little Gatorade. Y'all know I had to bring something out. Y'all wanna see it? I'm about to show y'all how it look. I love it here. I love it here. I'm letting go and I'm letting God. 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 I'm letting go and I hope y'all did. having a good day. You know, we can have bad days. We can have sad days. We can have, but ain't nothing like a good day. You feel me? Now that's good stuff right there, y'all. You ain't never had one? Comment down below if you ain't never had an acai bowl. Or if you have, comment I had one. Acai bowl. If so, you know how they taste. You know.